Looking to boost the performance of your MSI laptop? Today, we're diving into the ATEC 8GB DDR4 2666MHz SATA memory upgrade, a fantastic option for several MSI models, including the GF65 Thin 10SE, GF65 Thin 9SD, GF75 Thin 10SCX, GF75 Thin 10SCXR, GT73VR, 7RF Titan Pro, modern 15 Intel 10th Gen, and even the WS606QH. This ATEC RAM module is designed to breathe new life into these machines. Many users find that the stock RAM configuration in their laptops can be a bottleneck, especially when multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. Upgrading to 8GB of faster 2666MHz DDR4 memory can make a noticeable difference in overall system responsiveness. The ATEC module is a PC4-21300 SATA, which is the standard form factor for laptop memory. It's also non-ECC, which is typical for consumer laptops. Installation is generally straightforward, but it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual or watch a tutorial video to ensure you're doing it correctly. Remember to power down your laptop and disconnect the power adapter before you begin. One of the key benefits of this upgrade is the increased speed. The 2666MHz clock speed allows the RAM to transfer data faster than slower modules, resulting in quicker loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved gaming performance. If you've been experiencing lag or stuttering, this upgrade could be the solution you've been looking for. Compatibility is another strong point. ATEC specifically lists a wide range of MSI laptops that this module is compatible with, taking the guesswork out of the upgrade process. It's always reassuring to know that the memory is designed to work seamlessly with your specific laptop model. While 8GB might not be enough for the most demanding users, it's a sweet spot for many, providing a significant boost over 4GB configurations without breaking the bank. If you find yourself constantly running out of memory, consider upgrading to 16GB. But for many users, 8GB is the perfect balance of performance and affordability. Overall, the ATEC 8GB DDR4 2666MHz SATA memory upgrade is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve the performance of their compatible MSI laptop. It's easy to install, offers a noticeable speed boost, and is backed by ATEC's reputation for quality. If you're tired of waiting for your laptop to catch up, this upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.